Hello guys, welcome to tutorial 27 on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we'll be designing a boomerang. So let's get started by making a sketch on top plane. We'll draw a line, make sure it's not horizontal, and we'll draw a arc using that shortcut. And then you're going to draw a line again and press escape or go to arc command. Draw the arc at both the ends. Right click, select, make it coincident. Using line command we will draw a line which should not be horizontal, and we will draw an arc and the line again to connect all those arcs. Right click, select, and provide a tangent relation to all those arcs with the line. And we will draw a central line that will be in tangent relation with the arc, and another line, central line, that will be tangent relation with the another arc. And go to smart dimension, and the horizontal distance is 200. And the total distances from one arc to the other arc is 323.9. Okay, the vertical distance from the origin to the lower arc is 160. And this arc has a radius of 20, and that is one as well, 20. And that arc has a radius of 30, and this arc has a radius of 50. And the angle between those lines are 6.3. Sorry, yeah, exactly 6.3. 6.3 exactly. And these lines have the angle is 5.7 degrees. Right click, select, and provide a horizontal relation with the arc, with the origin, sorry. And we are going to draw a circle to both the arc, and we'll go to the arc command. Exactly, we'll draw an arc, using line command we will draw a line, then we'll draw an arc again, we'll connect those arc by line, and right click, select, and we'll go to smart dimension. We'll provide it 10, radius should be 10, and this has a radius 10 as well. And this arc has a radius of 20, and that arc has a radius of 13.5. Make it horizontal, but first we have to provide dimension, that is 70. Right click, select, and provide the horizontal relation, and make it concentric and provide a tangent relation to that. It goes black, and we will draw a slot here. We are not going to use slot command because we cannot provide two radius to both the arcs in the slot. So that's the reason we are going to use line command, and using those line command and arc command will draw the slot. Sometimes shortcut doesn't work, or I don't do it properly. Right click, select, put it aside, and we'll provide tangent relation to all those corners. Tangent relation, that one as well. And we'll provide a horizontal relation with that center. And that has a radius of 15.5. There's a problem. We have to delete the parallel relation between all those lines. Right click, select, and select that relation, press delete key. That's gone. Now we can provide the radius, which is 17.5, and it has a distance of 110, and the other end has a distance of 140. Right click, select, and we're going to draw a slot again here using line and arc command. Press the L key in the keyboard, you'll get the line command instantly. We'll draw an arc. Right click, select, and using smart dimension we will provide the dimension to the arc, which is 17.9, and that has a radius of 16.8. Now we'll provide the horizontal distance to the center of the lower arc, which is 65.2, and the horizontal distance to the another end, that is 55.9. 55.9. Now we'll provide the vertical distance to both the arc centers. The vertical distance to that arc is 124.1, and to the other center of the arc is 106.4. Exactly. Right click, select. We have to provide the tangent relation here. Exactly with the other arc. Provide the tangent relation, it goes black. Now we have to draw another slot here using line and arc command. Press the L key, you'll get the line command instantly on the keyboard, and you can draw the arc. Right click, select, provide the tangent relation. Now we'll go to smart dimension and provide the radius, that is 14.5, and that has a radius of 13.3. and the horizontal distance is 37.2, and the horizontal distance to the other point is 27.9. I'll provide the vertical distance, that is 70.9, and the vertical distance to the other point is 53.2. Using arc command, we'll draw the arc, and using line command, we'll draw a line, and we will draw an arc which should be in tangent relation with the line. Draw the arc and another arc, and another arc. This is a very complicated design, isn't it? So we'll provide the tangent relation to it, very complex. And let's go to smart dimension, and that is 30, and make it coincident, it goes black, and that line, provide a horizontal relation, the line goes black, and go to smart dimension again, that has the radius of 40, and that has radius 30, and that has a radius of 40. Right click, select, and we will provide the, we'll merge the center, and we will provide the horizontal relation with the center of the lower arc, that one, and select that, and that center, make it horizontal. Select that and make it vertical, and make it coincident with the arc. The entire thing goes black. Now we have to do some editing. We'll use line command and draw a line which should be completely perpendicular to that line, and the distance from the center is 39.9. Right click and select, and we'll go to trim entities. We'll trim these line, and right click, select, we'll go to line command, and we will connect all these things. We just did it to trim that, and because we don't need that portion. Exactly, select that line, that arc, that line, and the center of the circle, and convert into construction entity. We will need these curves later. So now we're going to features, then we'll extrude it 20 in one direction and 20 in the other direction. Click OK. There we go. So get out of this sketch, this is wrong one, and make a sketch on top plane. Okay, now we are going to draw a sort of like a rectangle. We're using line command. right click, select, and make it collinear, and that as well, and the distance is 17. Press escape, and that between those lines the distance is 17. Right click, select, get out of the sketch, or you can directly go to the features and click extrude, and it is 50 in both directions. 50. Then we'll click OK. Now I'll make a sketch on the top of that extrusion. First show the sketch, we'll be needing it. Make a sketch, and we will use convert entities to get it back again. Select all that and click on convert entities, we'll get it, and that one as well. And using line command, we will trim the extra lines, we don't need that, and we will extrude it 25 in the opposite direction, yes, 25, and we'll click OK. Now we will mirror this to the other side using top plane as the reference plane, and we'll select that extrusion base 3. Now we got it, we'll hide that, and we'll make a sketch on the lower side, and we are going to draw exactly, we'll make a sketch there. Click on normal tool, and using line command we will draw a line, and I don't know what to say this sketch, but it is an arc, and we will draw a line again coincident to that edge. Now we'll provide the dimension to that arc, which is 12. The radius is 12. We'll show that. Now we will coincident that centers and provide tangent relation, and we'll go to smart dimension, and the radius is 12. Exactly, and now we will select those sides and click on convert entities. Now we get a close figure. Now we'll trim that extra lines exactly. So we got a close figure, and we'll go to extruded boss base, and we'll extrude it in the opposite direction by clicking that arrow, and the extrusion will be 20. Make it 20, and we'll make a sketch on that upper side. First we'll make a sketch on the upper side. Select it, click on sketch, and we'll go to normal tool. We'll draw a circle at that point. And the dimension is, the diameter is 10, I think. No, it's 15. Okay, the diameter is 15, and the extrusion is 10. We hide that sketch. We got the boomerang ready, and we can change the color of it by going to that color icon. So red color seems okay. Double click it, and you'll get the red color. We'll get the isometric view,